Hi everyone, Chatham 12 here for vlog team for February 1st vlog for Tuesday today, actually. Okay, we're gonna be going upstairs because I gotta do a few things, and then the snowstorm actually started, so I'm actually gonna show you guys the snowstorm. Okay. Snowstorm actually started. You guys are probably gonna have to. I'm probably gonna show you guys right now. Hi everyone, Chatham 12 here, and this is the storm that Chatham is having right now. I'll show you guys the snow that we got so far in under maybe a few hours. Yes, you guys know that wind is strong, very strong. I just wanted to show you guys this little quick little video for vlog team.